Hello and welcome to my tutorial on getting custom songs for Guitar Hero 3 for computer. You'll have to excuse me, I'm a little sick at the moment. Feel free to pause the video at any time if I'm going too fast. First off, you're going to want to make a second copy of the ASPYR folder. And there it is. You gotta just make a second copy of that. That's basically your Guitar Hero. And, that's just in case something happens while you're doing custom songs. If you mess up something, you don't totally fuck up your game. Alright, so now, if you don't have WinRAR, you're gonna want to go into the description and download that, because you're gonna need that to do all of this. Next, make a folder on your desktop named GH3 PC Editor, and then go to the description again and download GH3 PC Editor. After it's done downloading, it should come up automatically in WinRAR. If not, manually pull up WinRAR, find the file, and extract it into this folder, GH3 PC Editor. Alright, then, let's see. Now download lame.exe and mp3info.exe and extract them both to the GH3 PC Editor folder. Those three things need to be in the same folder or this isn't going to work, so you got to do it exactly like I say. These next two don't need their own folders, they are applications, so you're going to download the chart to mid file and then Audacity. Now that all of that is done, it's time to really get started on this. Go to the custom index for song charts that I have in the description, and this is where a bunch of people post their charts. Alright, so let's look for the one I was going to get. There you were. Alright, so I'm going to get Arch Enemy We Will Rise. And what you're going to want to do is save this to your desktop. Oh my god. Alright, download. You're going to want to save it. And I'll go to my desktop to do that. Alright, so now that's done. I'm done with that. Done with you. Alright, so now you're going to want to open up the chart to mid application right here. It'll start out like that. There you go. So you're going to browse and find the chart. There it is. Open, and then your Guitar Hero, convert. It'll only take a second, but then you see conversion successful. And then there's the MID file right there. So pretty much you're done with that now. You don't need the chart anymore. Alright, so we just need that. Now that we're done with that, I want you to go to Audacity. And now this is the part where you need to find an MP3 of the song. Like, doesn't matter how you obtain it, LimeWire, Aries, CD, doesn't really matter, but you need the MP3 on your computer. Alright, so now go to Open, find the MP3, I use LimeWire, I'm a bad person. Find the song, take a little bit. And it'll look like this. That's normal. Now go to File, Export now. You gotta export this. And then I have made a folder for after I export it. So I'll save it right there. Make sure though it's an MP3 file. When you're saving as a type, just make sure it's an MP3 file. And under Options, make sure it's 128. Alright, then OK. And save. That'll take another couple seconds. Alright, so now that's done. Now, I have never saved, and I don't think it really does anything, so I don't have a problem with it. Nope. And now, you're going to want to go into the GH3 PC Editor folder, and scroll down until you find a Song List Editor application, and double-click that. A black command prompt will come up, but that is okay. It needs to be up. If you X out of it, it's going to close out the Song List Editor. So now go File, Open. It should automatically be on data. If not, find it and open. You'll see all these songs in Guitar Hero in alphabetical order right here. Then you're going to go to Insert New Song. Alright, song name. You can't put any caps or spaces in here, but it's what will show up in this alphabetical list right here. So, song name, I'm doing We Will Rise. Guitar track. Now this is, for these next 3 boxes, you need to put in what we exported from Audacity. So wherever you saved that exported file, find that, and upload that to all 3. You can see the command prompt's doing its thing. Preview position, this is just what plays at the beginning, you know, like when you hover over the song, and you're like picking which song you want to play, so it doesn't really matter what you put that at. The MIDI file, find what you got from, after using the chart to MIDI converter, which I saved on my desktop, right there. See, it's an MIDI sequence, so that's what you want there. Song title, this is what it will actually show up when hovering over the song and like when you start the song, so you got to do this one right. Song title, We Will Rise. Artist, Arch Enemy. Year. The year doesn't matter. I don't care to look up the year. I like the song, but okay. So this will take a little bit, but it is working, so just chill a little bit. When you see the 3 dones, like right here, that means you're good. And now you'll be able to find that song right there. We Will Rise. Alright, now you're going to want to go to Edit Set Lists. Under On Difficulty, click Expert. Now don't get upset, you people who aren't there yet. You can still play on Easy, Medium, and Hard, but it has to be on Expert. Set List, go to Bonus Songs, and then Song per tier. What this means is how many songs are on that playlist right there. So, seeing as you're adding 1 song, you need to go up 1. So I have 32 now. Under Song Number, go to the last one. It should be Slow Ride every time. If you go up 1, it'll be Slow Ride. Click Slow Ride, and under here, find the actual song. So We Will Rise. I know what you're thinking, this changed, but it's right, okay? So make sure you do that. Then OK. That shouldn't do anything. Okay, File, Save. Now it's going to ask you, you're about to overwrite important game files, you sure want to proceed? Yes, this is normal. Alright, so let's finish. And then we are done. Now you're going to open up Guitar Hero. Okay, it's going to say game content is damaged and cannot be used. Don't delete it. This is what you just added. So if you delete it, all you just did is fucked. Go to cancel. And now every time you have to do this, alright? For some reason, I don't know if this will be the same problem with you, but I always have to change mine off lefty flip. Now go to cheats. Enter cheat. And you're going to want to strum green twice. That unlocks everything. You have to do that every time you join. As unfortunate as it is, you have to do that every time you pull up Guitar Hero. So, now, it doesn't work in training. What happens is the song will play for about 5 seconds and there won't be any notes. So, training doesn't work. Multiplayer, I don't know. I haven't played with any friends, but I do have friends, okay? I do. Alright, quick play. And again, you can do easy, medium, hard, or expert. Doesn't matter. Go to bonus, and go all the way down, and you will see the song you added. And as you can see, it'll work. And there you have it. Have fun.